Good afternoon, student. Today I am going to discuss about the irrational number. So, what is actually irrational number? Irrational number is that number which cannot be expressed in the form of a by b, when a and b are two positive integers, where b is not equal to 0. Okay. It is the number which cannot express in the form of a by b. A and b are positive integer. Okay, and b is not equal to 0. So this is definition of irrational number. For example, take root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7. These are your irrational number. It means all the prime numbers are your irrational number. It expresses under your square root. Now, theory numbers. In theory number, we discuss about some fact of irrational number. Okay. If the p is under root, so p is a prime number. Okay. For example, root 7. So 7 is a prime number. Second, if a number p, it means prime number, divide a square, then p also divide a. For example, 3 divide 36. 3 also divide 6. Number 3, the sum and difference of the rational and irrational number is always a irrational number. Sum and difference of rational number is a irrational number. Okay. Now number 4. We are going to number 4. Take one example of sum and difference, like 2 minus root 3, 5 plus root 2. Okay. This is an example of sum and difference. One is irrational, other is your irrational number. Now number 4. Product and quotient of the non-zero integer is an irrational number. For example, root 3 into root 6. Root 5 by root 2. Okay. It is also your irrational number. Now, prove that root 2 is an irrational number. Prove that root 2 is an irrational number. It is your question. In this way, you can prove root 5, root 7, root 3 also an irrational number. So what is the procedure to prove this type of number is an irrational number, like root 2, root 5, root 3. Look the step. Let us assume that root 2 is an irrational number. Such that the root 2 expressed in the form a by b. Okay. So root 2 is equal to a by b, where b is not equal to 0. A and b are co-prime. Co-prime. It means they have only the common factor 1 and there is no other common factor. It means SCF of A and B is 1. Now squaring both sides, two a square b square, 2b square a square. Okay. Here 2 is the common factor of a square, also 2 is the common factor of a. 2 divide a square. Can you play that? 2 can divide also a. Okay. So 2 is the common factor of a. Let there exist a integer c such that a is equal to 2c. Taking square both sides, a square is equal to 4c square. From above equation, two b square is equal to a, and it is your a square is equal to 4c square. Okay. Now 2b square is equal to 4c square, and b square is equal to 2c square. Okay. So 2 divide b square, that is like 2 divide b also. Okay. So here 2 is the common factor of a and b, but the contract is the fact that here from above equations 2 is the common factor of a and b, but the contradict the fact that there is only one common factor, that is 1 for a and b. There is no other common factor. There is no other common factor other than 1. So our supposition is wrong. Hence, root 2 is an irrational number. In this way, you can prove the root 3, root 5, root 7 are the rational number. Take another example. So that root 2 plus, sorry, root 3 plus 5 is an irrational number. Okay. Let us assume that five plus root 3 is an irrational number. Okay. We express this one in the form of a by b, where b is not equal to 0 and a and b are co-prime. It means the SCF of a and b is 1. Now root 3 equal to, that is a by b minus 5, that is a minus 5b by b. Here a and b are the integer, so a minus 5b by b is a rational number. It means root 3 is an rational number. Okay. But the contradicting fact that root 3 is an irrational number and our assumption is wrong. But the contradict the fact that root 3 is an irrational number. Hence, the 5 plus root 3 is an irrational number. Okay. So in this way you can prove root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 are the rational number. Also sum of the rational and irrational numbers is a rational number. So your homework you do at home, that is your root 3, root 2, root 5, root 7. Now 2 questions, 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3, 5 plus root 7 is an irrational number. Okay. So these 2 questions you have to prove at home.